Hello guys, the perks of living alone is that I can throw my clothes like this and go days without actually putting it in the hanger. So I was just doing this and wanted to show you all. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Living Alone Diaries with Manita. So in today's episode you will get to see another unboxing things, housewarming. Let's get started. 슈슈 조조 Welcome. Celebrity this way. Welcome. First time मैं आई छिंगा चुंगा थोमो. Tup 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 tup. No, I don't accept gifts. I don't accept gifts. Garage have you me? 앉아. 토일리스. 저배야. Thank you. 앉아 쉬고 배. Sorry. Thank you. 슈슈. Exploring the home. Ngayon dazim sa mo. Ano tayo gawin? Kaç bir oda çedi? Namge ibi game.
Okay.
Andi nga izuzu mense shun binda. Housewarming. This is 2 chamcho patu. Patu ya? Inte patu. Housewarming patu imbe. Tash. To lani me ya? So my friends, they came for housewarming and brought some gifts and I did not ask for it. So they brought some gifts and I just want to show you all the gifts. Before opening the gifts, I am so thankful for my colleagues. Thank you so much to my colleagues for the wonderful gift. I am so happy. So I have this huge bag which contains gifts inside. Not one, but I see many. Let's just open it. So first one is this. It's such a cute foot mat. Like I will be hesitant to use this foot mat. So beautiful and soft as well. So this is the first gift. Then we have something inside this. Seems like utensils for sure, or crockery. Seems like crockery for sure. We have, oh my god, such beautiful cup. Oh, this is so beautiful color. It's so nice. Okay, another one. So they bought 2 and this is so cute. Oh my god. Oh, this is a set. I'm going to have my Maggies in this noodles. So cute. Such a pastel pink color. It's so beautiful. See? And the second pair. Oh, this is in blue color. So sweet. Yeah. Such a nice ball, yeah. blue. Both are such a nice color. More towards pink. Oh. So that's the gift that my colleagues brought. I am so much thankful for this gift and I love you all. So, apart from this gift thing, I bought this pillow. It was on sale at Clock Tower by Home Majestic, organized by Home Majestic, I think. Was it Home Majestic? I think it was by Home Majestic. I went there with my friend and there was this, so I brought pillows because it's very necessary. Now where did I get the scissors? Hello scissor, where are you? And when we remove the plastic, so let's see. For two I paid just 800. That's great deal. So okay, waiting for this to puff up. Oh, I can feel it swelling up. Can you guys see how flat it was and how it is now? One pillow. Okay, second one. I think it will take time to swell up, but yes, pillows. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I love you all. Bye. See you in the next one.